Okay, we're gonna make low carb twice baked cauliflower. First thing we're gonna do is wash this head of cauliflower and then chop it up into smaller sized pieces and get a pot of hot water going on the stove to boil this. I'm also frying up bacon and it's supposed to be crispy. Okay, here's my 6 slices of bacon cooked pretty crispy, and then we're gonna chop it up into smaller pieces. And there's our bacon all chopped up. Now I'm going to cut up 1/4 of a cup of onion. I know there's carbs in it, but I think it's key to this recipe. I don't have green onion, but I'm going to cut up this red onion. I just don't keep onion in the house, so I'm not tempted by it. There's 1/4 a cup. Next ingredient is 1/4 a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Next thing we need is 1 cup of grated sharp cheddar cheese, and I like to use a scale for it, but you can just use a measuring cup if you want. I'm going to link this scale down below. I got this on Amazon for like $10. It's been an amazing purchase. Next thing you need is 4 ounces of cream cheese. I went over it on it a little bit, but that's okay. Last thing we need is 1/2 a cup of sour cream, or 170 grams. Okay, so I have a glass dish and I'm going to spray it with coconut oil. And we're going to put everything in here and this is going to go in the oven at 350 degrees. I also have this masher. I'm going to mash the cauliflower, but the cauliflower gets really soft. So, I mean, you can just mash it with a fork, but if you have one of these, it's helpful. Okay, we've got our cauliflower boiling. I'm going to boil this, I think, about 15 minutes, and then it just kind of falls apart. Okay, here's the cauliflower, and I just want to show you how easily it mashes. Super easy. And then the next ingredient I'm going to add is the cream cheese so that it'll all melt, and then I'm just going to add everything else, and then it's just going to go in the oven. Super easy. So I've got everything in here, and I'm just mixing it up. It gets really thick. So I'm going to mix it up really good. Okay, we're in the oven. The recipe says to cover it, but I like it cooked like a little bit more brown on top, so I'm just going to leave it in here, and it says for 25 minutes, so we'll see what it looks like in 25 minutes, and I'm at 350 degrees. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. It looks and smells amazing. I ended up doubling the time, 350 at 45 minutes, and you could probably even cook it longer. I do want to mention that this stuff reheats really well. This is a Temptations container, and this can go straight into the freezer, and then you pull it out, and then you could put it in the oven to thaw it out. Just thought I'd mention that. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this.